So get this. I was cleaning up from a video I made earlier today with some of the Miniverse makes that I had made that I thought were a little bit large for the Rainbow High dolls. And before I put this back in their dollhouse, I'm like, wait, what? These are the little waffle pancakes that I'd made. I think some of this stuff is going to be really, really nice size for the Element dolls. I mean, the strawberries. I mean, the bananas. What do you think? Do you think you're going to try any of your Make It Minis with your Element dolls? Talk to you later. Bye.